Hello students, welcome back to my channel. You are watching now the videos of my channel Bio Wizard. Today I came up with a chapter from class 10. Yes, class 10. I'll start from the beginning. So dear children, now onwards you will get explanations on chapters from the syllabus of class 10. So let's start with the first chapter, that is life processes. Before that, I want to say that please subscribe to my channels so that you will get the videos regularly, because in between other classes I'll keep on giving the videos on class 10 and some other higher classes. So students, I'll start with the meaning of the term life processes, then the definition and other aspects. As because this video is a introductory video, so I'll deal with the introduction of the chapter and then I'll deal with the content of the chapter, that is what are the contents that are present in the chapter and all the aspects of the life processes. So before that, let us start with the definition. The maintenance of functions, different functions of living organism is done by various organs or various parts of our body. Living organisms are living in condition because of certain criteria. Living organisms have the tendency to grow, they have the tendency to eat food, they have the tendency to respire, reproduce, and many other aspects. Due to these criteria, living organisms are said to be living and they grow properly and maintain balance with the surrounding. So, in this chapter, that is the life processes, we shall study about the different criterias or the different factors on the basis of which living organisms survive in this world. That means we shall study about the various processes which are required to maintain the living condition of an organism. The life processes has its own definition in it. It is the process by which we conclude or we include all the various activities of the living organisms by maintaining which the organism can survive in this world. The system of survival or staying in the environment is quite interesting and energetic for the students to study. All living things perform certain tasks like growth, excretion, respiration, as I have told. So, in this chapter, we will deal with growth, digestion, respiration, circulation, excretion, and many more things. So, dear students, on that point, I would like to say that we'll go through various living organisms' body structure. We'll study their structures, the process by which they fulfill all the criterias of living condition, and many more things. So I'd like to show you a table which explains the life process and its various aspects. So you can see in the table the various aspects of the life process, that is growth, digestion, respiration, circulation and excretion. Let me give you an example. For example, a human being give birth to its child, that is of its own kind. When the child grows, during the different stages of its growth, it takes in food in different levels. The food is digested, it is utilized in various ways like production of energy. The production of energy requires lots of gases which are actually respired, and after the digestion few elements or few chemicals are to be removed from the body. So all this comes under the various aspects of life processes. So I can show you with some charts again. Nutrition, or in case of plants, in case of animals it is little bit different, but it is necessary for all living organism. So students, this is the introduction of the chapter. Hope you have understand. The chapter contains the process of nutrition, that is the nutrition, how it is done in different organisms, then what is the exact process required for the digestion of the food in case of various organisms like amoeba, like human beings. Then we shall also cover with that of plants, that is the process of taking in food or the process of nutrition in case of plants. Then we will deal with the respiration part, that is why do we breathe in air or breathe out air, and what is the requirement, what are the organs that support this process. Then we will deal with the transport system, that is the chemical substances or the food materials or the gases which enter our body, how they are transferred from one position to another position. If they are not transferred, the body may not get the requirement, whatever is required for their growth and development, it may not get. So transport is equally important. What are the organs which are responsible for transport of the various materials? And finally we will deal with the excretion method. Here also we'll cover with plants as well as animals. So students, the chapter is little bit vast, although all the parts of the chapter will be explained part by part in different videos. This is the introductory part of the entire chapter. So in the introduction, let me again remind you that life process is a very important topic to be discussed with. Life processes include the different processes for a living organism which is required for maintenance of the body or maintenance of the organism for its survival or to stay alive. Dear students, if you have any queries, you can comment me below. Please like, share my video if you like. That's all for today. Have a nice day.